How to add music to a Facebook post. It's very simple. Tap on What's on your mind option and choose photo or video. From here, select any photo or video that you want to post. Here I have chosen a random one. Now, tap on the edit option at the top of the photo and then tap on the music icon. You will find a list of music that you can choose from or you can search on your own. Here I am searching for a random song. You can give it a listen by tapping on the play icon here and just select it. You can select the font and the layout of how you want the music or the lyrics to display on your screen. You can choose the lyrical preview or you can just tap on the album preview, something like this. You can select the verse of the song by sliding it at the bottom, as you can see I'm doing right here. And once you are happy with it, you can just tap on done, which is at the top. You can arrange the display of the lyric, and once you are happy, just tap on done once again. You can add a caption or you can just tap in post, and after a while it will be posted with the song that you choose. Wasn't it simple? Hopefully you will give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.